Hello guys, welcome to my master class. This is Boka's master class. For the first time, if you are joining this channel, please do well and like this video, subscribe to the channel and share to your friends. Guys, if you do this for me, then you are doing me a good favor. Thank you so much for that. Let's get to the video. What do I have today? If you can see my chart, any day I opened up chart like this, just know that that day is for analysis. Today is for analysis, and we are going to talk about analysis on BTC. For the past few days, BTC has been going up and coming down. No one knows the bottom. Even me myself don't know the bottom. Who knows the bottom? No one knows the bottom. People have been saying that 70k is the bottom, 16k is the bottom, but no one has proudly said that this is the bottom. So today in this video, I am going to show you the bottom of BTC, and you should get ready for that. You should get ready for what is coming up in the next few months from now, in the next few weeks from now. So in this video is particularly about, let's find the possible place for the bottom of BTC. How BTC bottomed or not, that answer you're gonna find it in this video. So please watch to the end. Let's get to the video right now. So guys, this is my BTC chart. This is BTC chart, okay? And if you can see this place, the price of BTC is currently at $16,728,000. So I'm going to go ahead and put this chart to 4 hours. Let's see what's happening there. So you know, if you want to see what's going to happen in the future of BTC, you use higher time frame, like daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame. We are going to use all this time frame in this video to find out where is the bottom of BTC. Is BTC still going to go down, or BTC is going to pump from here? Let's find out in this video. Okay, so right here I'm going to put this in 1 week chart, and this is 1 week chart of BTC, and this is the 1 week chart of BTC, as you can see. So this is the 1 week chart of BTC. So I'm just going to shake the bottomless of this BTC. On June we got 17k, and then on November 70k was broken and we got another low, and that another low is here, which is 15,624 was the last low that we got on 9th of November 2022. So guys, are we still going to get another low? The answer is to be answered here right now. Okay, so if you're watching this now, you can see that when we got first low at 19k, nothing had broken that 19k until we got to the November broke 17 low of June. Then we now got 15/6 of November. Okay, then from this 15/6 November, what can we say that this low is here? Now this, in 1 day chart, we are not going to find out the bottom, but we are going to scroll to 1 week chart to see what will happen in a week's time. Follow me. So this is BTC 1 week chart. Looking at this 1 week chart, you can see that there are many things to consider here. Okay, looking at this BTC 1 week chart. Okay, I scroll to 1 month chart, so I need to use 1 week chart. Okay, so this is BTC 1 month chart, 1 week chart. Okay, from here you can see that this is the last sell candle before the buys. This place, this is the last sell candles before the buy. This is the last sell candle before the buys. Okay, now Are we going to see something from here? Yes. Be prepared for it, because we are going to mitigate this level within a short period of time. Within a short period of time. This is the area that BTC will have some leg up. If you are seeing what I'm seeing. The worst case scenario we're gonna see here is this place. This supposed to be have they been the legit order block to use from this chart, but then I don't like using big order block. So looking at this one here now, you can see that 18k is the bottom of BTC. The worst case scenario. The worst case scenario is 18k bottom. 18,174 will be the bottom of BTC in this year. Not this year is over, but from January. So I want you to be prepared for it. Why I'm doing this video is for you to know that you should not be preparing for your swing long from now. Don't prepare for your swing long from now yet, because we still have liquidity that are on tap below this place, below these levels. Okay, see, you can see this right here. You can see this right here. For the first place we are going to reach, we're going to touch 11k first, and after touching 11k we will meet here. So be prepared for it before you continue your swing longs. Don't swing longs now, just be scalping your trade as I normally do. In this place, this is weekly chart, so you should know that this can take time to accomplish, because any candle you see in this chart are 1 week candles. Hope you understand. Any candle you see in this chart are 1 week candles, so it will take time for these candles to form, and after forming, this is where I see at the bottom of BTC. From here, the worst case scenario is we get to the middle before we get the buy. We'll get to the middle here, the middle of this, and then we get buy, and from there we'll fly. So be prepared for it. Do not go into swing longs now. If you are preparing to buy arts, don't buy arts now. We still have below to go down. I'm telling you today, BTC has not bottomed yet. Looking at this place, you can see it clearly. After a break from this place, after a break from here is when I confirmed this. After a break from this level was when I confirmed that BTC is going down. Because if we go through to 1 day chart, you can see that from here there was something formed in this level. You understand? So there was something formed in these levels, okay, from like this. I'm looking for something. But I couldn't find it. I'm looking for something, but I couldn't find it. Where you guys been go? So just so you know that here, if I go to 1 day chart, you can see that there was something, there was a liquidity, there was a good support level, this a place, this area, there was a good support level in this area. So in this area, but we got broken from there. So breaking this place show me that BTC will go more down. Okay, that is it. Broken this place have confirmed to me that BTC has not bottomed yet. We still have some downs to go. and that is not this is not the right time to start buying up your ads, because you are still going to buy that ads in the cheap price when they go below down. So this, for this thing to get broken here, shows that there is, if you see here, if you look at this my chart very well, from here or from here to here, you can see that. So from here to here, you can see that there is no support levels here from this level to this level. So showing you that breaking here, it was a big problem. Breaking this particular level, BTC breaking this particular level was a big problem to BTC, because if we survived that level, BTC could have did well, but we couldn't survive that level. What do? Push more forward. Okay, so we couldn't survive this level. If we had survived this level, then BTC will go up, but due to fundamentals playing out, FTS sheets, food, and all these things are what is causing TA, making TA to be useless. Normally we could have pumped from here and start going up, but then we broke this support, heading to what, 11k. Seriously, I'm telling you this, we are heading to this level, and from this level we got here. Failure to speak from here, we got here, and this is the bottom of BTC. Once you see BTC from this level, start buying your art and start buying your coins, so that you can make generational wealth to come. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video with me. This is Bookers, and you just watched Bookers masterclass. Do well and subscribe and like this video. See you in the next one.